Charging at home is easier and more convenient with the dual-level charge cord, and it virtually eliminates the need to buy a separate charging cord for your EV. It looks like this: a control box with a cord and a connector that plugs into your electric vehicle. Plus, screw hooks on the back so you can mount it on a wall. This portable charging cord comes with 2 changeable plug attachments, giving you the flexibility of 2 different charging levels, level 1 and level 2. The 3-prong plug is the standard 120-volt plug used by most electrical devices. The 4-prong plug is a 240-volt plug used by larger appliances, such as electric ranges, and may require professional installation. To charge your vehicle with a dual-level charge cord, find a compatible wall outlet. In most cases, you'll only have access to the common household 3-prong outlet. If your home and outlet can support level 2 charging, you can use the 4-prong plug provided for faster charging. Once you know which type of outlet you're plugging into, snap the corresponding plug into the bottom of the control box, making sure the plug is fully inserted. If the plug is not fully in place, you will see a yellow light when the charging cord is plugged in. If this happens, insert the plug again. It may take a little effort, but it will fit snugly once it's correctly in place, and you will see a blue light when the charging cord is correctly plugged in. Now you can plug the attachment into your outlet. The dual-level charge cord will perform a short boot-up routine and then be ready to charge. Just remember, not all home grids can support level 2 charging, so we recommend you consult a professional electrician before attempting to charge at 240 volts. For more information about Level 2 charging, including how to find qualified Level 2 charging installers, visit Cadillac.com/electric-life.